Hi, good morning, guys. We are going to make some bread. We're almost out of bread here at home. So I thought I'd share with you guys how to make some honey whole wheat bread. It's an Amish bread out of my Amish cookbook. And I'll share that with you. 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. They say 2 packages. This makes 2 loaves. We're going to do 2.5 cups of warm water. Warm water just means, when you see it in a recipe for bread, about 105 to 115 degrees. About a minute in the microwave usually works. And then we're going to do 1/3 cup of honey after that. Pure honey from Tennessee here. And that just helps activate that yeast. I can always add a little bit of water. I'm not going to worry about it. It's kind of nice and moist today. So 1/3 cup honey, like so. Get that out really good. Okay. It says 1/4 of a cup of shortening. I'm going to do butter. Just because I don't have shortening and I like butter better in my recipes. One fun fact about shortening: it was created to make turkeys fat. So that just tells you a little bit about shortening. Three cups of all whole wheat flour. 2. Three. And then we're going to do 3 to 4 cups of flour, just normal white all-purpose flour. 1, 2, 3, and then if I need to add a little more, I will. Okay, now that it's combined really well, I'm going to knead it with the dough hook on for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it, just cover it up and put it in my oven on the proofing setting. Okay, so it's kneaded about 5 minutes, It's a sticky dough, but that's okay. And then I am just going to we're just going to let it rise in the oven for about an hour on my proofing setting. If you don't have a proofing setting on your oven, put it in your oven with your light on, or just in a warm place. I'm going to cover this with saran wrap with a little oil on the top of the saran wrap. Okay, there we go. It's a sticky dough. That's okay.
Cook any more of them. I think I will just freeze the rest of the dough. That's 2 dozen. That's be good for him with everything else.
Mm-hmm. Okay, this one is going in the freezer. And this one I'm going to form into a loaf of bread. Now we'll put in that in our proofing oven, and I'll be back here in about 30 minutes when this is risen about halfway full, and then we'll bake it for 45 minutes. So we'll see you guys back in a little bit when this is proofed again. this has risen. Now I'm going to turn on my oven at 375. There we go. There we go. We'll come back in a minute. Okay, it's now in the oven for about 45 minutes. There we go. Okay, simple and easy as that. We have one in the freezer for the next time we need a loaf of bread. Just top it with butter and do the sides with butter as well. Took me 40 minutes in my oven, so it might not take 45. God bless you guys. We'll see you next time. And the recipe, of course, will be below. God bless. Bye.